it is. How was that, bud?
Hey, that shit was crazy.
I'm shaking a little bit too.
Oh, damn.
Hey guys, Thomas and Miata, and we're about to take the drift lift out. We're gonna be doing a video shoot for a rap video. I got everything packed and loaded up in the truck. I'll see you when we get there. All right guys, made it out here, pulled the toolbox out, setting up the camera, and I'm gonna pull the car out. Once people show up, we'll get to drifting. Best this car's ever looked. Hey guys, this is Thomas Miata. We're here, we're gonna shit up. For those of you that don't know, this is my drift lift. BMW E36, BMW axles and rear end. Stock shifter, stock transmission mount. Let me show you under the hood. Boom. So under the hood, we have a junkyard LQ9 with over 200,000 miles. Truck exhaust headers, cut and flipped. Tile wastegates right after the manifolds, real ones. A tile knockoff blow-off valve. eBay turbo, this is a GT35 size turbo. This motor is extremely choked, so it's nice and reliable. And of course, we've got the side exit exhaust. It looks like my man's here, what's up?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey guys, this is Thomas Miata here. We're out here about to film this Beats video drop with Sam. Go ahead, Sam.
About to actually drop a beat tape. Wanted to find a cool way to announce it. I saw my man Thomas on Instagram doing some crazy shit, so hey, I just hit him up. We're about to get it popping. It's lit. My Instagram is Sam Darshawn the Beat. YouTube, Facebook, everywhere, Twitter. Yeah.
And the question I get a lot these days is why? Why are you doing this? Why are you creating?
I feel like I have a gift. I need to share it with the world.
All right, guys. Well, once the photographers show up, we'll get started.
Let's get it.
We're gonna film Inception. Get it? Gimbal status.
That was awesome. Hey guys, don't forget to check out Sam and all the other guys that helped film this. If you enjoyed what you saw, smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do stuff like this again. that's when you crash. Come here. Look, make sure when you clutch kick that you do it for real like a man. Because if you're pushing the front wheels around, that's when you're gonna crash. As long as the back wheels are spinning, the car is much easier to predict. But like when you're coming around this turn right here that second time, your front wheels were pushing, which is what your car was doing to me too. So it may not actually be a lot of your fault, but what the issue was with me is like when you clutch kick that thing, it hits boost all hard and then wants to go, and then you let off and you just try to give it gas and it doesn't have enough balls to keep them spinning. So like, that's what I was saying, this is gonna be kind of a tough car.
Yeah. So I need more balls personally.
Yeah.
And more balls in the car. You know how to teach people.
You could also like bump up the tire pressure in the rear and stiffen the suspension.
Definitely low.
There's a lot of ways to do all the same stuff. Yeah, you're set up for grip right now and you're trying to learn. You should definitely stiffen everything up.
And that's what we'll do.
Yeah, buddy. And then that was the before and then you'll know the after.
Right. Stay tuned, people. More coming.
More coming.
Super Drift Part 2.